My name is Darby with an S at the end, and I'm 47 years old. I own very many small businesses, so it's kind of a big deal. Jersey born and raised.
My name is Janus. I'm from Rotterdam. I am 19.
People say that your age difference is going to be a problem. Do you guys agree or disagree?
Yes.
No.
Darby, what do you love most about Janus?
It's really hard to boil it down. I would say strength, intelligence. He's so smart. It's insane how smart he is, and he really cares, and it makes me cry because I just didn't know that love was gonna be for me in this lifetime. And honestly, that body.
Janus, what do you love most about Darby's?
Oh, the fries.
No, I meant, what do you love most about Darby's?
What's she saying? What are you saying?
What do you love most about her?
The fries.
Darby's, does it upset you that your twin used to date Janus?
Yes, I had sex with both of them.
It's not something I choose to think about on a daily basis, and all I want at the end of the day is for Starbucks to be happy.
Starbucks?